Hey guys, Real Deal here, Akins and Wild Willies and Winder. Got another installment of 2020 F250 action, leveled on 37s. Love this King Ranch. This is a bad boy, y'all. We've got, to accommodate this, we've got, and I didn't cut it off, I wanted you to hear that power stroke purr. Man, it sounds phenomenal. We've got the spring replacement 2.5 inch level kit from Ready Lift. Have that stance looking nice and clean and level to accommodate these hefty 37, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapper, that hybrid tire. Now, I will tell you, told the customer as well, and he was cool with it. We're upfront and knowledgeable about all this stuff with our customers, and it's 50-50 when it comes to the Super Duty and the stock wheel. Some are okay with the stock wheel, knowing it's going to scrub with a 37. Some aren't, and we stick with a 35 or go with the aftermarket wheel. So, well, we know what to do, and we just want to convey it to the customer and let you, the customer, decide. So we're scrubbing a little bit on our rear radius arm and then track bar up front. This customer, just like me, I would be okay with it because I love this stance and setup. The 37 is definitely the way to go, in my opinion, if you're okay with it, not with the scrub. Now, I also want to show you how much it scrubs. Different tires scrub a different amount on a factory wheel. The Ridge Grappler does have some semi-aggressive sidewall pattern. So this on the medium scale as far as how much the sidewall sticks out. You go with a BFG or any Toyo MT, any kind of mud terrain tire, you're gonna have more aggressive sidewall, so it's gonna scrub worse. So let's take a look at how it scrubs in forward and reverse. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about, the scrubbing on a 37, 12.5, 20s on factory wheel. Fully turn and reverse. Just a little bit, going the other direction. Now let's try going forward, seeing what we're working with. Full to the left. Yep, full to the right. Yep. We did Lumar window tint up front as well as a nice retractable bed cover. Very nice, love that finish on the retracts. Nice and sleek, very functional. So with the factory wheel, we're definitely conservative. We're very mild on our mild to wild scale, but we got a 12.5 wide tire, so the stance is improved. And of course, the added height to me is a game changer. It really suits the overall size of this truck. So just wanted to guys show you today, leveled on 37s on a King Ranch right here at Wild Willies at Akins. We're here for your source for everything auto, but we love giving you guys information for your next build as well. Hopefully right here at Wild Willies at Akins. Thanks so much for watching.